ayun guys, papunta kami ng tailor shop. Papasukat kami, kasama namin yung boss namin sa tailoring shop guys para sa new uniform. So samahan nyo kami guys.
เนี่ยมันยกไอทีวัดลง PCG เลยต้องขึ้นสเตตัสนะไม่มีอะไรมากอยากชวนมาเข้าวัดทำบุญ
Hi!
Sergi.
So ayun na nga guys, nagpasukat na nga kami dyan ng new uniform for the preparation of the grand opening of your GFH Street Restaurant. So shoutout sa magaling na tailor namin ng uniform guys. Wag mo nang ulitin yung paggawa ng uniform namin guys. Joke only guys, maganda siya guys. Color blue and color white guys. May logo pa ng GFH Street. So guys, hope to see you all up there guys on the grand opening on new location of your GFH Street Restaurant located at 35th Street, Mahara Building, ground floor, shop number 13, Rashadia 1, Ajman, UAE guys. Guys, please continue to like, share, follow the GFH Street page in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys for more updates. So once again guys, thank you so much for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Hope to see you all over here guys. Happy moments will continue here at the new location of your GFH Street Restaurant. Thank you guys.